So as it's a wonderful Saturday morning to all of you, so today I would be talking about a technological sector. So as we know that India and across the globe, most of the countries are related into technological sectors. So first of all, I will be talking about that why technology is important. So technology is important because each and everything from doing social media till doing your payments, technology is important. So technology build a base of people to learn and liberalize their things into a particular segment that will be called as a technological base format. So technological sector is the one of the most leading sector across the globe. So I would be talking about different stocks that lead into technological sector. So there are three different categories for the technological stocks. So large cap, small cap and mid cap. So coming to small cap, I would be talking about that there are some companies that lead to a big resource management at a low cost. So talking about Tejas Networks is one of the small cap now, and for the mid cap I would be giving up as a Wipro, and for a large cap I would be giving as a TCS. So recommendations and a disclaimer to all of you that these stocks are being recommended as an example for your understanding. This is not my personal to like brand or do endorse to them. So these are just for giving as an example. So before taking a trade, please contact to your broker before you take or give a trade. Now technological sector. So today you invest into technological sector, it can lead to a very high pace into coming 5 years. So coming from automation, coming from international globalization, coming from artificial intelligence, coming from one tip payment, coming from one thumb payment, and a lot of things that can lead to an economy. So invest into the technological sector because technological can give you a huge returns that you can never imagine. So healthcare as well as the technological sector can lead to a very high purpose that say that technological technological and be adaptable. So for example, I would tell you like today's senior citizens are like they were like 5 years before, so they don't know how to use a high technological, so they lag behind. So if you don't adapt technological, it can lead to a very high disturbance into your lives because technological is the leading sector. So if you are lonely, you use technology. If you are busy, you are using a technology. So including coronavirus or the COVID-19 pandemic, it can lead to like most of the students are working through internationally, globally, through online, by doing online courses, by doing online assignments, by giving online exams. So you can think the potential of technological sector into an economy will lead you to a very high return. So invest into the stock markets, invest into the technological sector. So in the last video I've covered the pharma sector, and for the next video I would be covering a health sector that will be remained as a mid health sector. It would not be as a pharma sector. So mid health sector will lead to a very new economy that is coming around in coming years. So I would be telling you into the next video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you, and follow Sarthak Stocks 828 for all the things. Thank you.